I recently went to Wembley Park and I was in desperate need of new trainers. The ones that I had are over 2 years old and it's getting kind of run down, and then I think that you do need to have new trainers every couple of years. So in today's episode, I will be showing you what I saw, what I bought, and exactly what I thought of my purchase. So let's start the show. In this occasional series, I will be critiquing items of clothing that I have bought and may also be of interest to you. Well, I told you that I went to Wembley Park and I went to Asics. So I do like this brand. I think that they have nice quality stuff. And the first thing that I will show you is this pair of jogging shorts. What I like about these shorts is there is a zipper over here and one on the other side as well. So I think it is a really good idea, and it's ideal if you are playing sports, whether you are jogging. I did have a pair of these before, and they are really good at keeping your belongings inside the shorts instead of dropping out and losing them. So I think this is a real good product to have. I also searched in Nike and also in Adidas, but they only had it at Asics. I didn't check Puma. I'm not really a fan of theirs, or Converse. So I did like the fact of them having it at Asics. So I think that that's really good. Okay, so let's bring the trainers out. I got two, by the way. So let's start with this first one. It is a cool matcha blue expanse, and it is a GT 2000 for men. And yeah, so this is very flashy, I would say. So this is very unique. So it is pure gel, and this is 3D guidance system, and this is what it states over here. I did like the look of the stripe, I suppose, like the outer bit. This is the inner bit, so it's kind of blending in. But I do like these, and I did try them on. They are carbon footprint plus 9.9 kg. So I think that it's kind of good for the environment, I suppose. And this is the right shoe. And I also like the bottom of the trainers, like the sole of it or the heel of it. Like, it's so colorful, and I don't even feel like wearing it, but I will, obviously. But look how artistic it looks. It's like, this looks like a work of art, I think. And I did try them on, and they are really, really comfy. And yeah, I will be slipping these on pretty soon, I would say, because I don't have anything this light and airy, and I think they are really good. They are not waterproof, so the lady did say that water is gonna go in if it's wet and nasty outside. But I will wear these like in the sunshine, and I think that they are good for walking as well as for running. So they are dual purpose in my opinion. So I think it's good to have that versatility.
Clean up on content. There's no litter on our show. Subscribe to It's Paul and Marcus on YouTube.
Okay, so this is the second pair. This is Gel Nimbus 26, and the color is New Leaf Soothing Sea, and you will know why in a second. So this is also very kind of flashy, and it's very eye-catching. So this is green. Why did I get green? I don't know, but I did like the color. So this is also pure gel, and this is FF Blast Plus, and I guess it is because of the sole, I suppose, and it is really comfortable. And this is carbon footprint 10.8 kilograms CO2. I don't have anything green, and I do like the color green, and I think it's good to try a different color and to get a feel of what works for you. So no, I did like the look of these trainers and felt like I liked the design, which all Asics are with this type of logo, and I do like the fact of it being very comfy when I was walking in it. Just like the other one, they aren't waterproof, so then if it rains heavily, there is a likelihood that my feet will get wet. But no, I was in Asics for about an hour. They didn't think that they would get rid of me. But anyhow, but I think it's really important that you do give yourself that time and not rush into it, because I think footwear is very important, and you don't want to have to go back to the store and say to the retail assistant or the person working there that, oh no, this didn't fit properly, or oh, I changed my mind about the color, and oh, it's like tighter now. But then they're gonna be like, how come you didn't give much more care and attention in picking your trainers out? Like, why didn't you decide to give more effort into it, right? So yeah, I was walking for ages inside the store and also looking at it from different angles. But no, I think that these are really, really different. I think that the color is what attracted me to both of these. I think this one is a little, no, I don't know which one I liked more. I know that this one felt more comfortable, but I also like this one as well. Initially, I wanted to try on this black one, this black and yellow one, but then I decided that it would be too much similar to the one that I have at home currently, which is black and white. And I don't really think that it should be so closely similar to the one that I have at home. They weren't cheap. So this pair of Asics, this nice yellow one, was about 98 pounds. This is cheaper than buying it full price from like the non-outlets, because the one that I went to in Wembley is an outlet. So then it's supposed to be cheaper than actually going to normal retail stores outside. So this was 98, and this one was more. This one was 128. So this was like maybe almost 30 pounds more. Like, I don't think that you could compare apples and oranges. So they are slightly different. I think that the comfort that these shoes provide will justify the price. So I think you need to weigh everything out when you do buy trainers and sneakers and things of that nature, because I'm not going to just wear this once and just decide, no, this isn't going to work for me, so that I'm going to get something else. I'm not going to do that, which is why I decided to invest so much time and effort into it. So no, so I did like these purchases. There were other things that I was tempted by, but I limited myself to 2, and this came up to about, how much was this one? This was about 28. So in total, I think the total spend was approximately 250 pounds. So you could work out the currency for you. But no, I think this is an investment, and I'm not going to be buying trainers every week. So I think for me, I could kind of justify it because it will make me happy for a really long time. And I think that that's the name of the game when it comes to being happy with your trainers. I hope that you have enjoyed today's episode. For those of you that want to contribute and make a difference to our YouTube channel, we do offer channel memberships, and they start at £1.99 a month. You will receive episodes a week in advance, and we also offer emojis and stickers for you to show your appreciation. And as an added bonus, for those of you that are feeling extra generous, there is also super thanks, and you can make a contribution to the channel because we are paying out of pocket right now, and things do cost a bit of money. And I think anything that you are able to contribute will help us go a really long way. And we do thank you in advance for all that you do. So thank you once again for watching today's episode, and we will see you next time. Bye.